Our mdLiDAR solution is much faster to be able to get from collecting the data to generating a point cloud, being able to give a product to the customer that day.
One of the reasons why we chose the mdLiDAR3000 is because it was fully integrated, not only with the LiDAR system, with the Minivux 1 DL, but it also came with some processing software. All they have to do is bring in the RXP files and the TO4 files that is stored right on the unit itself. We're able to quickly process and do a quick visualization of what we have captured out there in the field and see that we have enough overlap and that the data looks very good.
We're using many softwares. Some of them have been developed by Microdrones. Some of them are part of our solution. So you're using Planix PosPack to correct the trajectory of your LiDAR data. You're using mdLiDAR to create a point cloud. And from that point, you can use that point cloud into whatever kind of project software you're using, whether it's Trimble Business Center or CAD, or what kind of systems your customers are using. At that point in time, then you'll be able to visualize the data set.